Yeah, very happy being spoiled again, getting to start the race. We had a bit of a rough day yesterday with qualifying a few issues, but I think the boys are all over it. So yeah, looking ready to get stuck in.
Coleby seems comfortable. He loves starting in the dark. The light's coming out already, so it's great. So we just got to stay out of trouble, run around and see where we are in a couple of hours.
Yeah, it was good, a lot of fun, double stinted, a couple of big incidents, just a matter of trying to go as quick as you can and yeah, not getting the guys behind, not getting their way. I don't think we've got the pace of the BMWs and still coming to grips with the car a bit, but I'm happy then. I think I managed to screw a 19.2 or something, which is better than we did last year, but yeah, very happy.
The comms didn't work that, like they work for the bottom part of the track. It's hard to get the signal up the top. And then when you realise after a couple of laps that they just hadn't gone quiet, you know, that they just weren't talking to you, they just didn't work. So then I just started to have a bit of a problem with the car and I was getting a black flag for a restart incident. So I was getting no information. So.
Lindsay's got to finish his stint now and then we're going to bolt in the guru, Mike Simpson, and he's going to double stint to the end and hopefully bring home a result, fingers crossed.
The Ginetta's great because it's light, so it's good on the tyres, and we can probably run a tyre twice as long as, say, the BMWs. So as the race progresses, we will get closer. So it'll be an exciting finish.
We'd come into the weekend with a decent enough chance and we were looking pretty good early on, and just the nature of the race and the track, we kind of fell behind a bit early, so you need a bit of luck, but again we got it, so you take it where you can get it, and yeah, I'm absolutely wrapped. Yeah, my little mate, he's like the Duracell bunny, he just keeps going and going, and Mike, he's amazing. He's their factory driver and it shows. I mean, the guys are professional inside and outside of the car. He's open. It's been really good and learnt a lot off him this weekend, so it's been great.
Grateful to finish, have a trophy, and the guys from Ginetta have been great. Oh, the Jordan and Alan Heafy with the strategy, they're all over it and they work tirelessly on it the whole time.
First and foremost, huge thanks to Trader, GSM, Haymans Burleigh and Fuzion Lighting, Griffo and all of his boys here at Ginetta Australia. It's just amazing, I can't thank them enough.